Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we're going to be going over order statuses and how you can use it on quotes and sales orders to keep track of the progress of your transactions. You can create order statuses to track whether an order is back-ordered, canceled, needs to be ordered, is in production, or is ready to ship. Here's an example of a sales order. Even though the sales order is already created, I can still change the status of the sales order. We can edit the different types of statuses available to sales orders by going to our company preferences and scrolling down to Order Status. Select Sales Orders, and then from here, you can add a new sales order status in the blank field up at the top. And you can also customize the color that appears on this status. To save, click Add New. To edit an order status, simply click the pencil icon next to the order status name to edit. You can change the color, or you can make the status inactive. To save your changes, click Save. You can also organize your order statuses by dragging and dropping on the left-hand column. You can also receive text and email notifications for each customized order status. To do this, click on the Modify link next to the order status name under the column of your choice. Check the boxes next to Enabled and Send automatically when status changes. Then enter what you want the template to read. When you're done, click Save and Close. Okay, let's go back to sales orders and see that backordered is now an available status for us to choose. You can view the status history of an order by going to the Actions menu. Okay, back at our Sales Center, let's take a look at how we can filter our sales orders by status. In the Look For box, select Order Status. And then from the Containing, there will be a list of statuses in the drop-down. I'm going to select Backordered to filter my list by that status, and then click Search. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.